Backpackers are seeking fishing gear that's compact, lightweight, and powerful enough to handle diverse fishing conditions. Just as mechanical keyboards appeal to typists and gamers for their precision and durability, backpacking fishing rods and reels offer. List number 1. The plusinno fishing rod and reel combo is designed for anglers who prioritize convenience without compromising strength. Featuring a carbon fiber and fiberglass construction, this telescopic rod ensures both durability and flexibility, making it ideal for backpacking trips where portability matters most. Its compact size allows you to collapse it and store it easily in a backpack or carry-on. The reel comes with a smooth, anti-reverse system and high-tensile gear for reliable performance. With a medium power rating, it's versatile enough to handle freshwater species like bass and trout, while still holding up well in light saltwater conditions. The ergonomic handle provides comfort during long casting sessions, which is a big plus when you're fishing outdoors for hours. What makes this rod stand out is its value for money. It combines a high-quality rod with a smooth reel in a budget-friendly package. Anglers who hike or camp will appreciate how the telescopic design saves space while still delivering strength and casting accuracy. List number 2. This plusinno carbon fiber telescopic combo is another top choice for backpackers seeking a reliable, all-in-one fishing solution. It's built with high-density carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass, ensuring both strength and resilience. The telescopic design is perfect for portability, shrinking down to fit snugly into small packs or travel cases. The reel boasts instant anti-reverse, smooth drag, and high-strength metal components. With precision brass gears and a stainless steel shaft, it performs consistently on different waters, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced anglers. The combo also includes comfortable EVA handles, enhancing grip during wet conditions, a common challenge when fishing outdoors. What sets this model apart is its beginner-friendly design. The setup is quick and easy, making it a go-to choice for new backpackers who want to start fishing immediately. Despite its lightweight nature, it offers enough backbone to land medium-sized fish with confidence. List number 3. The Okuma Voyager Travel Kit is a complete package tailored for backpackers. It includes a 6-foot, 5-piece spinning rod, a matching size 20 reel, and a protective padded travel case. This thoughtful design makes it ideal for anglers who need a compact solution without piecing together separate gear. The rod is constructed from durable graphite, providing excellent sensitivity and flexibility. Its moderate action makes it versatile enough for targeting panfish, trout, and small bass. The reel comes pre-spooled, saving setup time on the trail, and features a smooth drag system that performs well for freshwater fishing. One of its biggest advantages is the included case, which organizes and protects your gear during transport. For backpackers, this reduces the risk of damage and adds to the convenience factor. While it's designed mainly for freshwater use, the rod and reel combo offer excellent balance and portability. List number 4. The sougayilang telescopic fishing rod combo is a stylish yet functional choice for backpackers. Built with a combination of carbon fiber and fiberglass, the rod is strong yet lightweight, making it easy to carry on long hikes. The telescopic feature allows it to collapse quickly, perfect for limited storage space. The reel is crafted with CNC machined aluminum spool and stainless steel guides that resist corrosion, making it suitable for both freshwater and light saltwater fishing. The handle design is ergonomic, ensuring comfort even during extended fishing sessions. A highlight of this combo is its versatility. Backpackers can rely on it for different fishing environments, from lakes and rivers to coastal areas. The smooth drag system provides steady performance, while the rod's sensitivity helps detect subtle bites. List 5. This fishing pole combo set is perfect for couples, families, or backpacking buddies. It includes 2 collapsible rods and 2 spinning reels, offering excellent value for group fishing trips. Each 2.1 meter, 6.89 feet rod is made with durable fiberglass, balancing strength with portability. The spinning reels feature smooth casting and anti-reverse, making them reliable for freshwater fishing. While not designed for trophy-sized fish, they perform admirably with bass, trout, and panfish. The collapsible design ensures the rods are easy to pack in a backpack or car trunk. What makes this combo stand out is its cost-effectiveness. You're essentially getting two complete fishing setups at a budget-friendly price, making it a great starter kit for beginners or families. While advanced anglers might prefer higher-end options, this set delivers a sol.